So this player udlalela iSuperSport United eminyaka ewu20 years old. Ngoba ina 20 years old nje. Wazalelwa la eSouth Africa. Yabo, wazalelwa la eSouth Africa, unama documents akhe awala eSouth Africa. But yena ngokuzalwa nje kwakhe wase Nigeria. Angazi noma ngiphrase kahle yini, but ngokuzalwa like abazali bakhe, yabo, abase Nigeria ukuzwa kwami, yabo. So uIm Okon ngokwakhe idream yakhe ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, yabo, playing for South Africa. That is his dream. Inkinga ila iNigerian FA ifuna uIm Okon ayodlalela iNigeria, yabo. Abathandi ukubona umdlali wabo edlalela enye icountry. So bafuna ayodlalela iNigeria. Kukuyena ke umdlali ukuthi uzokhetha yipi national team uthi ayidlalele. Yabo, njoba wakhulela eSouth Africa and ukhuluma nolimi la eSouth Africa. Yabo, ukhuluma nje ilimi la eSouth Africa. I think ukhuluma isiZulu if I'm not mistaken. There was an interview, yabo, ayikhuluma khona. Ngezwe engathi uyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. But yena ngokwakhe idream yakhe ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, yabo. Ngokubona weni yipi country akumele ayidlalele, yabo. Kumele adlalele iBafana Bafana noma kumele adlalele iNigeria because owase Nigeria yena but ukuzalwa wazalela la eSouth Africa and wazi wonke amaculture la eSouth Africa. I think it's wise for him to play for iSouth Africa. Ayikabi ningangizwa kabi, ngiyazi most yabantu besi la eSouth Africa sibathanda abantu bangaphandle, but umdlali owakhulela la owazibholela la eSouth Africa I don't think angafitha lapha eNigeria, yabo. Cause maybe one of the reason why engafuni ukuyodlala khona is because iningi itayi igcwele lapha kwisquad seNigeria, so maybe izwa ngiyazi adlaliswe, mhlambe ngiyenzeka nje angabizwa, yabo. So I think it's wise for him to play for iBafana Bafana. Ngeke ngazi ke mhlambe phela khona abanye abantu abangeza neminye imbono, mhlambe abazali bakhe bangamconvince ukuthi cha ndodana kumele uyodlalela iNigeria le, yabo, sifuna ukubona ugqoke ijezi elihlaza. But for me I think it's wise for him to play for iBafana Bafana and futhi neminyaka isamvumela usana 20 years old. Uya defender impela lo mfana. He's one of the talented youngsters esinawo la kwiPSL. So mina ngibona kungcono ukuthi ajoin iBafana Bafana le ezogcwala ama youngsters soon.